Today we are gonna be doing a cook show. Hi, Odin. Hi. You like the video? That's Odin. My puppy. He's actually like 4 years old. He's old. I don't know what he's doing. And my mom got me bread. We're gonna be making a sandwich. My favorite, personally. But we got the bread. Well, my mom got bread. Next we need the mayonnaise. Okay, guys, I can't show my mom because she doesn't like it. But I got the mayonnaise. Now let's go get the lettuce. That's my little cousin over there. She is 6. Okay, Mom, do we have any lettuce? Do we have lettuce? Yes, we have lettuce. Okay, good thing. Okay, we already got the mayonnaise and bread. Lettuce. I might have a part 2 and not stay about it, but yeah, now we're just trying to. I need pepper. Oh, I need cheese. Do we have, never mind. I hope we have Swiss cheese. Swiss. Oh, pepperoni. Oh, God. Swiss cheese. Hold a minute. None of the cheese like this or this is okay. I got my refrigerator for some yogurt with my food, but my cereal, and I'm having some pretzels, and
a video about
I need pepper. Pepper. Now we need to find salt. Okay, we got the mayonnaise. Hold on. Most important, bread, right? Yeah. Second most important, pepperoni, meat or something like that. Yeah. Third important, cheese. We got that. Fourth important, lettuce. More pepperonis. Some mayonnaise, which is really important, and black pepper, most important, and one of the most important, and then the least important, salt. Not have that much for life. But who cares? We're not only gonna be doing a chef, but we're also gonna do more fun stuff. So let's get started. Outside is too cold, so I'm not doing outside. But like, who cares? For the bread, I forgot plate. Sorry guys, but I had to go check if we had paper plates, but we don't, so I got middle. Or what they call it. Okay, now we gotta unravel the bread.
In the eating area, there is a
No, there's not.
Actually, there's
There's no tornado. Stop playing the game. I'm not. Don't know what my cousin's doing, but she's pretending she's playing a game. There's no tornado. I'm not playing a game. I'm doing a chef. And I'm actually posting this on YouTube. Real YouTube.
Okay, guys. We need to do this inside.
I tried my best. It didn't work. I'm sorry about that. I got the bread. 2 pieces. 1 piece. 2 pieces. I forgot to get the knife. I hate that knife. But I got a knife for my peanut butter mayonnaise. So, mayonnaise. Put this knife down. Oh my god, I was turning it the wrong way. That's not that much, but who cares? I'm sorry, but y'all just see the mayonnaise right there. But whatever. Step 1, you have to get all your ingredients, which the ingredients are mayonnaise, bread, provolone cheese, but if you have Swiss cheese, that's the best. We don't salt, pepper, pepperonis, and lettuce. And then you need a knife and a plate. And then first step, you got your ingredients, right? Pause the video if you need them. I'll put it up, or actually I can't put it up. I don't know how to, but whatever. But you put the mayonnaise on the first piece of bread very smoothly, like that. Place that there. You're gonna get the other piece. Get some more mayonnaise, like that much. Spread again. And then we're gonna get some more like I did wash my hand and put the apron on without y'all because I wasn't filming that time. Okay, now that we got the mayonnaise on, we're gonna go put this in the sink. Later, and then we're gonna put the mayonnaise top back on. This is gonna take forever. We have a couple of flies in here, so we have to do that. And put the mayonnaise inside in the bread. Then, first thing you need to go do, brush your teeth because you're doing a baby. I got another pepperoni just in case. I'm actually looking at another camera that, yeah. Well, it won't be me, but whatever. I have a couple of freckles on my noses, but y'all can't see. It's like one. Oh, hold on. No, let's just get a couple of. There's not that much though. I'm using a lot on these, and maybe I'm using less. Eat a couple too. So glad they only this one fell on the ground, but most of them fell on the table, the plate, the mushroom, the much. And then that's spicy. We have spiced, really spicy pepperoni. Whatever. And the next step is the cheese provolone Swiss or American. I personally like Swiss best, but if we don't have Swiss, provolone, American. And I usually have this with the shredded too, the orange and white shredded together, and then the white or the white shredded together. My second choice would personally be the orange one. My last choice, if we don't have any of that, will be the white. So yeah. Next, we gotta put the lettuce on. But first, I usually, firstly, take the pepper. And I usually put some on that side, put some on that side, not too much. And then I take the lettuce, Okay, I'm sorry I paused it because my mom was there. But next step, to take some lettuce. I'm gonna flatten out, like kinda, not that much, and place it. We're gonna have two on each side, so yeah. I broke. It. Had to eat it. I love lettuce. Here's that. On the side, put some more pepper on. But only on this side. So not to be too spicy. And then we're gonna take your salt and sprinkle some on. But not that much. You don't want it to be too salty. Now I'm gonna wash that. Oh, it's sea salt. Then we're going to take the other piece of bread, which is full, and then flip on to your sandwich, and it's all delicious. I'm gonna go ask my mom real quick, so be right back. I just asked my mom, and I'm allowed to have yogurt and pretzels, so